Hello and welcome to 9 August London session live stream. So I have already drawn these zones based on what we have already learned. Now I am anticipating in gold we can potentially keep this push down till 37 more pips, and let's see if we can drop 37 38 more pips. We will execute sells below previous candle wick, and in GBP we are also waiting. Now the whole idea is I am waiting for current 15-minute candle to create an upper wick first and then continue pushing down. We can potentially drop in this 50 pip range if we create an upper wick on this M30 candle and then starts to break below low in last 15 minutes of this candle. And in gold we are just waiting. We have already dropped like 43 pips, but the whole idea is gold usually moves a lot, so there is probability we will drop 34 35 more pips, but the whole idea is we need to break below previous candle low in M15. And in GBP we are also expecting sells, but I am waiting to break below previous candle low, and I am also waiting for upper wick on current 15-minute candle. We are moving up in gold, which is a good thing for our sell analysis later on. Now all we need to do is to wait. We can drop and fill this entire range today or tomorrow in GBP. There is very high probability that if we get some sort of confirmation in here, we can continue pushing down in this 172 pips of range. So for now we are just waiting. We have broken below previous M15 candle low. We are breaking in 9 minutes. We didn't have an upper wick, and there is probability we can keep pushing down. That's why I have executed this trade. My initial stop loss is 15 US dollar, and at the same time I am not expecting prices to break above current M15 high. Actually I should have waited for next M15 candle, but let's see how it will play out. For now, I have lowered my risk, and I will re-add this risk basically later on. Waiting for current M5 candle to close, and I will execute on next M15 candle. Alright, at this point, M5 candle, M15 candle is about to close. So the first half of this M30 candle is about to over. It is now over. We will set up this sell stop, and now we will wait for prices to break below this wick and continue pushing down. And on the other hand, I am not expecting prices to hit my this stop loss now. If it hits, it hits. This is the way things are. And I am also expecting gold to break below these lows and continue pushing down. And yeah, we will execute a sell position right in here. Stops will be around 18 pips, 20 pips, and we are anticipating prices will continue pushing down once we break this area to a potential TP of 32 pips. In GBP/JPY, the candle is flipping bearish. I am anticipating this M15 candle to continue pushing bearish, but we are waiting for prices to pick up our sell stop and then move down. And in the gold, if we break below these wicks, we can continue pushing down. And we will just wait now. On second trade, stop loss will be around 17-18 pips. I have executed sell position right in here in gold, and yes, this will be my stops around 10 pips. Anticipating prices to keep pushing down. Right, we have broken above previous M5 candle high, which is not a good thing for this sell trade. And yeah, we will now wait in gold and in GBP JPY. We are planning these shorts and we got stopped out in gold. Now we will wait. We lost around 14 US dollars today, and yesterday we lost around 35 US dollars. Overall, we have lost around 50 US dollars in this week. In these 2 days, I will say. We are waiting in gold and in GBP JPY, waiting for candles to close, and London session will open in 6 minutes. We are waiting for candles to close in 2 minutes, and New York's and London session will also open in 2 minutes. As the candle is about to close, so I don't want my sell stop to be active in first few minutes of next M15 candle. That's why I have removed my sell stop, and I will place that sell stop later on. Alright, the candles has now closed, and executing sells in GBP now, placing a stop of 15 pips. I don't want candles to break above 163.090 if we are to move down, and we will hold this trade. In gold, the candle has closed back inside the range, and still if we break below these wicks to left, we can continue pushing down, and we will give this trade a chance. In gold, in GBP all we need to do is to wait. We are approaching this potential M30 zone in GBP but looking at momentum and price action, I anticipate that we will push through this zone, and if our bias is wrong, we will just exit this trade. We are not emotionally attached to anything, and in gold we are just waiting. It is also the start of H1 candle, and maybe H1 candle is creating an upper wick first to continue pushing down in gold. We need to wait for 15 more minutes. We need to look to see how this M15 candle will close in GBP JPY, and also how this M15 candle will close in gold. So we have basically rejected from the zone I mentioned, and we will just wait at this point. Alright, M5 candle has closed. It has closed below this zone, and now I am anticipating we will not break above this area if we are to continue pushing down. So that's where I have placed my stop loss, and we will wait for current M15 candle to close. Let's wait to see how current candle will close. I have executed this sell trade in GBP JPY in an anticipation that we have created a high and we can keep pushing down, and let's see how this trade will play out. And in the meantime, we are also waiting in gold. If we break below 1784, there is probability we can continue pushing down and we may execute in here. Alright, we have broken above previous M5 candle high. Now we need to wait for current M5 candle to close. If it closes above previous M5 candle, I will close half of my trades. And yeah, other than that, we are good. Alright, the M5 candle has flipped bearish altogether. After this M5 candle will close, I will place my stop losses somewhere in this range, and yeah, we will let this trade play out. Yeah, the M5 candle has closed. Now this is my stop loss, and now we will just wait, and yeah, in the gold we basically started consolidating. Let's look at current M15 candle, how this M15 candle will close. And in GBP/JPY, it seems like we are good for now. But anything at any point can happen. We are ready for anything. We are trading GBP/JPY. Nothing of interest in GBP JPY and in gold for now, and waiting for this M15 candle to close. If it closes bearish, there will be probability that on next M15 candle we can break below this area and continue pushing down. GBP JPY is basically at same M30 zone that we marked out, but let's wait for current M15 candle to close. In gold, I don't want to miss this down move almost 35 pips, but the whole idea is we have started consolidating in this area from previous 3 M15 candles. If we look at GBP JPY, the candle has closed below the M30 area, but the whole idea is this candle has closed with no wick at the bottom, which means there is no range for prices to go down. So but the M30 candle is still open, so we will wait for this M30 candle to close. And in the gold, we just need to wait. And if we look at GBP JPY to the left, we can see we have rejected from this area 162.800. It is 6 pips of rejection, but the whole idea is whenever we are trending, we usually do a retracement, so it may be a retracement to continue pushing down. I don't see it as a reversal of trend. So for more information, we need this M15 and M30 candle to close in around 13 minutes. And if we look at gold, we have started consolidating in this area, and waiting makes much more sense in gold. Alright, M5 candle has closed in GBP JPY. We have closed an M5 candle closing like a rejection, but this is not a very strong area to take this consideration, to take this rejection as a serious rejection. So we need to wait for more confirmations. We need to wait for 10 more minutes. And in gold, I am waiting for M5 candle to close below 1784 area, and then maybe I will execute a trade, because if we look at higher time frame, we can see we moved down, we did a retracement, and then we are just consolidating, and there is probability we will continue pushing down in this 37-38 pips of range. But it is early in this point. I just want one M5 candle to close below this area, and I may execute on next M5 candle. And if we look at GBP JPY, yeah, we basically have broken below previous candle low, and now there is a probability that we will drop 19-20 more pips in GBP JPY. Trades are already in 50 pips profit, and yeah, we need to wait for 3 more minutes, waiting for M5 candles to close. JPY is pushing. The M30 candle is of 30 pip. We are up around 61 pips. I will secure on these positions in 7 more minutes, and I am looking to see how this M30 candle will close. In 7 minutes I will secure something, and for now I have placed stop loss at entry point. Thank you, bro. Thank you. All right, M5 candle has closed. Still, this trade seems valid. And if we look at gold, in gold we have closed below all this area, which is a good thing. And I am basically planning to execute sells in gold, execution at 1784 by placing a stop of 15 pips at 1785. But the whole problem is the M30 candle is about to close in 4 minutes. That's my whole reason to avoid this trade, else I would have executed this sell position. Let's wait for M30 candle to close in 4 minutes. I was anticipating this trade. I gave this trade a chance earlier on, but I got stopped out and now it is moving down. There is probability we will drop till 1781, almost 25 more pips in gold. And in GBP JPY, for now the trend is bearish, and we have a small rejection. Alright, the M30 candle has closed and M15 candle has closed with a rejection, a weak bullish candle, and still there is probability that we can continue pushing down, although it seems like this is a rejection wick. So we will basically hold this trade for now, and if it hits our break even point, it's okay for us. And in the gold, if we look at M30, the M30 candle has closed below all the areas to left, all these candle wicks to left, and I can anticipate we can uh, basically, in my opinion, we are pushing down if we break below previous M30 candle low in this 22 pips of range. And in GBP JPY, it seems like we will be stopped out. Let's see if we will get stopped out. And we almost, yeah, we did got stopped out. It went in like 30 pips. Those were two trades. Both of them went in 30 pips profit, but we get a rejection from this area. We got stopped out at break even. We executed three trades. All of them were losers, and yeah, this is the way things are. Just by looking at volume, I was anticipating that we are moving down, but we got rejected almost 10 pips away from our take profit point, and yeah, this is the way things are. Actually, my break even, I should have placed the stop loss at 163.049 area instead of doing break even, because I still believe that it is a an upper wick formation in M30 candle, because we moved up in first 3 minutes, but we got stopped out, so there is no use of Now we will wait. If we look at GBP JPY in H1 time frame, we can see that we are consolidating in this area. There is little to no volume, and now we are waiting. We may get some good trades later on. Other than that, we will just call it a day. This move up, in my opinion, just kick us out of our trade, and it will continue pushing down now, in my opinion. But I will not execute on this trade, and now we will just wait. We look at gold in H4 time frame, we can see previous H4 candle closed bearish at the next, and the current H4 candle has an upper wick. It is a bearish candle for now. If we break below previous H4 candle wick, we can continue pushing down. It could be 70 to 100 pips of move, and if we look at smaller time frame, this is the wick of H4 wick, which is 1783 area. So I am looking to see if I can execute this setup, and M30 candle has broken above previous M30 candle high, and M15, M5, all time frames are moving up, and we are looking to see if the next M15 candle will close bearish, and we may execute a sell position in an anticipation that we have a bearish move down, and this whole move up is a retracement in downtrend, and we can execute sell position to potentially fill this wick of fill this range of 32 pips. So M15 candle has closed, it has closed with no wick, which means there is no range for prices to go up, but the M30 candle is still open. And if we look at gold, M15 candle in gold has closed bullish inside the range. There is no information in gold. I can find no information in gold other than the fact that if we break below 1783, we can continue pushing down in this 23 pips of range at least, or we can even keep pushing down till 1768 area around 150 pips. And in GBP JPY, we are just waiting. There is lot of consolidation, although volume is in here, but we are just chopping, I will say. We are moving up and we are moving down. No good information is present in GBP JPY at the moment. Maybe later on we can get some good trade anticipation. We look at GBP JPY. The H1 candle moved all the way down 30 pips, and it created a huge rejection wick, and it is trying to close bullish. The candle is not closed yet. 11 minutes left in this candle to close. And if we look at gold yesterday, it seems like we have a candle similar to this candle in GBP JPY, but in opposite direction. And if we get some confirmations, we may execute buys right in here, like, and it will be sells in GBP JPY. But we want this candle to close, and on next candle maybe we can execute. But the whole idea is there is a lot of dirty ranges in GBP JPY. We don't have a clean move, so let's see. Thank you, man. Yeah, the content is great, but we are in down around 5% on my account. 5% we are down. I was so confident on this sell trade that I didn't even put secured something, as it went in like 30 pips in profits, as I was anticipating that we have lot of volume and we will continue pushing down. Else I would have recovered almost 50% of my losses. But this is the way things are. We always need to secure profits whenever trade went in profits. Yesterday, if I look at my trades, this was these two trades were buy trades. I should have hold these trades, and these trades just caught in my aggressive risk management skills. So I have decided that I will let these trades play a little bit longer, and yeah, I could have secured like 30-40 pips from these trades, and it could have put me in like big profits for the week, for the month, I will say. But the whole idea is I basically made mistakes. Again, later on, I gave two chances on this trade, and but I didn't let them run. So now we will let our trades run longer. We will take little bit more risk. We will take place little bit more stop loss on our trades from now on. I am waiting for this M15 candle to close in around 5 minutes, and yeah, we will execute sells once we starts to break below previous M15 candle low. And in gold is just consolidating. We need to break below 1783 area for sells. Oh, gold is moving up. In gold, we can also anticipate buys above 1787. This candle is 26 pips, 30 pips, 30 pips big, and we want this M15 candle to close. And we will just wait. Waiting for 2 more minutes. I am still anticipating sells in GBP JPY unless we break above 163.200 area. Other than that, I am still in shorts. And in GBP in gold, as we have broken above 1787 area, and on next 15-minute candle I may execute buys, but it depends. I want a lower wick. All right, hourly candle has closed. Hourly candle has closed with a huge rejection in GBP JPY. I am anticipating sells once we break below previous candle low, previous M15 candle low. And in GBP and in gold, I am anticipating buys once we break above previous candle high by placing a stop loss of 13-14 pips. We can secure like 13 pips on this trade. It is a very small range. Alright, I have placed my buy stop, and my SL on my stop loss on this trade will be 8 pips. Will be 10 pips, around 10 US dollar loss if I hit my stop loss. And oh man, in GBP JPY we have broken above 163.200 area. So the sells the sell idea is invalid, at least for now. In gold our trade is active. We will place stop loss of 10 pips, anticipating prices to continue pushing up at least 14 pips. I will secure something at 14 pips and leave my small runners run. Yeah, 16 pips secured everything. Because we have already lost a lot, we need to secure some profits so that we can take a risk later on. We are down around 40 US dollars on my account, which is 4% of my account. In GBP JPY we need to redo our bias, and basically in GBP JPY it seems like we have created an H4 support, and We need to break above 163.700 area, then we will have clean move in H4 time frame. If we look at hourly time frame, oh my god, gold is moving up. It is 41 pips of move in just 6 minutes. I secured my position in 15 pips, secured everything because I have already lost a lot. I am down around 37 US dollars on this account, so I need to keep booking small profits so that I can end this week in break even at least. At this point, I will just call it a London session. We will see you guys in New York session, and the whole reason is we are approaching a dirty range of 42 pips in gold, and in GBP/JPY we are also approaching a dirty range of this 20 pips. So in my opinion, it makes sense to just wait and come back later on when there is a clear indication where prices will move. And yeah, now we will just wait and come back in New York session. Take care, have fun, and I will see you in New York.